Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. My name is Blessed Lambert Ebenezer Sungange. They call me Blessed Oracle. Please, I am doing this video now to clarify an information that is going on in the internet because of our forthcoming program. Please, I want to use this medium to say that our Papa, Ebuka Obi, that the purpose why his picture is in the program is for his spiritual blessing, is for spiritual blessing, not that he is going to come for the program. So as many that, or that he's aware of the program, so as many people that are, terming it to be another thing, all my fellow Zionites, I want you to disregard any other information that you get. I am the one hosting the program. And like I said, the purpose of our Papa's picture, our spiritual director's picture, is for spiritual blessings so that the program will go successfully. There is no way anybody will think or assume that this little community outreach, that our Papa will be there. Our Papa is too busy. Our Papa is too busy. He can't come in such a program. So please, I want you all to disregard anybody making any other intention or using it against our big family Zionite. Don't listen to such a person. Don't listen to such a person. So wherever you are, if you see this video, I want you to share it. Tag everybody. Tag Honorable Akozion. Tag Barrister Tochukwu. Tag all the Zionites. Are you getting what I'm saying? I am a full member of Zionite. I have been following Papa for a very long time. So I want you people to take this message, share it in all the platforms so that it will be clarified. And I assure you God will bless you. Also to remind you, remember that we are having our program this week in our headquarters in Lagos. So all the Zionites, wherever you are, connect, prepare to be in Zion headquarters, Lagos, this week for that program. And the Lord will bless you. The God of our Papa, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. I am Blessed Lambert Ebenezer Ajiri. Thank you and God bless you as you share this video.